huge trend that I've been talking about. Well, you may have seen it before. I've kind of shown you some of this before, but today I'm going to show you how to actually make it. So as you can see here, this channel fully has ads. This video has 500,000 views on it. And as you keep scrolling here, you'll see, and these are just like ranking videos. All these videos have ads on them. Sometimes they pop up, sometimes they don't, but I have seen ads on this just a couple minutes ago when I was clicking through it. So this one has 6 million views, so this channel is called The Ranker, and you can just see the amount of freaking views he's getting. It's absolutely insane. Here's another channel, Ranking the World. This one also just popped up with ads. But now, as you can see here, it does have ads. And so I'm going to show you how to make all this. It's really easy to do. Same thing here. This channel, this video's got 3 million views as well, called Data Doggo. It's got ads as well. So this is a fully monetizable business model here. And as you can see, there's unlimited topics that we'll get into that you can make stuff on. And once again, another ad there. So all these channels have ads. Another one called Data is Beautiful. This one has 812,000 subscribers and also has ads on it as well. Here's another one over here. It's got 2.8 million views by the same guy. The list goes on. These all get a ton of views, guys. I'm going to show you how to make all this. So if we go and look at Data is Beautiful, you will see here, I mean, look at this. Estimated yearly revenue, somewhere between $226,000 and $3.6 million. And what you'll see here, in the last week, just look at the numbers here. You know, he's getting about 3 million views a day, guys. And as we know, 3 million views a day, you know, he's averaging times 0.10 times 0.03, 10% click-through rate, 3 cents per ad click, $9,000. So he's averaging about $9,000 a day, guys. So as you can see here, weekly averages is 17 million. So 17,632,930 times 0.10 click-through rate times 0.03, 3 cents per click, $52,000, guys, in a week. And that's just his average. So every week he averages about $50,000 doing this. Absolutely insane numbers, guys. So as you can see here, it says the same thing, somewhere between 4,000 and 70,000. And a lot of that's going to be based on his CPM and how many ads he's putting per video. Some things that I teach you in the course about how to do better with, you know, getting a higher CPM or, you know, putting more ads on videos. A lot of different tactics that I have for how to actually raise that number to more in this area than this area. So as you guys can see there, I mean, he's absolutely killing it along with all these other channels that I have shown you. Now, how do you make these videos, dude? Well, I'm glad you asked, because here is all you have to do. All you got to do is go to Flourish. So type in Google Flourish. Okay, and then it'll pop up. You make a little account. It's all free. And if you come right down here, you'll see images on bars. And this is how they're making it. And this stuff's really freaking easy to make, guys. So all you have to do, and this is just a preview, and the data is right here. So this is the data, and it's a preview. Okay, so that is what is running right here. Then you can come down here, go to animation duration, and so you can make this like 10 minutes, and then hit refresh, and now it's going to go a lot slower, right? And so then you can kind of span it out into a 10-minute video, depending on what it is. And so all you have to do is go into data here, clear all this out, and then change it with your own data. So in here, you could be like John Cena. So you could, like, if you wanted to do one about like wrestling, right? And then do like The Rock. This is really cool, guys, because if you look on YouTube right now, you will see that there are tons of these, and they're all getting hundreds of thousands of views. Because the thing is that makes this really, really smart is, number one, it's your own video, right? You're producing, you're making it, it's your own video. So you're not gonna get in trouble with YouTube at all for making this video. Number two, there's unlimited niches you can do, guys. So for instance, like, where do you get this data? Well, think about it. If I wanted to do one on top highest paid WWE wrestlers, right? It'd be really easy to gather this data. All I'd have to do is be like, span it from 2015 to 2019. So top 10 WWE wrestlers pay 2015, right? And then here it is. And then you type in 16, and then you're gonna get this, okay? And so every year you can do this and then just gather the top 10 wrestlers for every year and how much money they get, right? And then all you have to do is then compile that data, put it in there, and then make it. And then when you're done, all you have to do is go up here and click export and publish in the top right corner. But guys, this is an unlimited opportunity. You can always make new niches with this, guys. Absolutely incredible. Like if you want to hit the WWE niche, and then you can come here to this site called statista.com. And then what you can do is you can like type in WWE and just see what shows up. And as you can see here, WWE Network paid subscriber count. So you can literally make a video about paid subscribers from WWE. You can make one about net income. How much does WWE make year after year? Okay, and you can do this for any niche. So you can go in and be like beauty, top 10 beauty sales, top 10 beauty marketers. You could do energy drinks. You could be like, oh, top 20 selling energy drinks from 2005 to 2019. If tennis, you could be like, oh, the tennis rankings from 2010 to 2019. NASCAR rankings from 2010 to 2019, or whatever you want to do. And if you don't want to compile a ton of data, just have a few less, like just do less years and things like that. But there's unlimited opportunities. You can jump in any niche: video games, cell phones, computers, technology, right? Anything that you want to do, you can make a video out of this, okay? So, and you already seen the amount of views that it gets, okay? And then all that it comes down to is ranking it correctly, which I teach you how to do, how to get the most out of the earnings that you're going to receive, which I teach you how to do. You got to get your channel monetized first with 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours. Like I said, we have a ton of students in our group, at least 100 now, who have used one person in our Facebook group that you get access to as a student that's going to help you get monetized in a couple of weeks, okay? So all those things are at play, not to mention it is Q4. You got November, you got December. You could literally make top 10 selling items for Christmas, top 10 selling items for Black Friday. Over the years, right? And then inside of that, you could literally do affiliate links to different sales that are currently going on this year and get bonus sales for people buying for Christmas and things like that. So unlimited opportunities here with this, guys. So definitely take advantage of this. Really good opportunity. And like these videos are blowing up, going completely viral, more than any niche that I've seen in quite a while, and it's really easy to get into it because basically, if you come up with a topic that hasn't been done yet, like NASCAR rankings, WWE wrestlers' salaries, right? Things like that, you have zero competition. You're the only one that made that video, but yet every WWE fan is going to watch that video. Every NASCAR fan is going to watch that video. But at the same time, you have no competition because you're the only one who made it. So all it does is take a little bit of time to put the rankings in there and then crank out some freaking rankings and rank yourself and make a bunch of money, guys, because these guys are killing it. Every single one of those examples I showed you are making somewhere between $50,000 to $500,000 on their channels, and they're doing it very, very quickly. So for instance, this channel right here, okay, look, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 videos, right? 14 videos they made over the last 7 months, okay? If you look at this, you want to see how much money they've made off 14 videos, guys? Off 14 videos. Look at $50,000 off 14 videos, okay, over the last 7 months. So I encourage you guys to scroll through, look at all the different examples of people doing this, the kind of views they are getting, and definitely take advantage of this. Hopefully it helps you out. Remember, $55 on Make Money on YouTube. Last day for the $105 on the course bundle before it goes back up to $145. So I'll see you in there. That's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.